Welcome to another episode of IE Unplugged, Bytes and Insights. I'm your host, Oliver Mindburst. Today, we're diving into the recent upheaval in the scientific community caused by Meta's decision to disband its protein folding team in favor of commercial AI application. The shift has been seismic. It's not just about a team being disbanded, it's about the direction Meta is taking, veering away from scientific endeavors to focus more on commercial aspects of AI. It's not uncommon for tech companies to pivot their focus, but this move has raised eyebrows and stirred concerns among scientists and AI researchers. Protein folding is one of the most important challenges in biology. It's a complex process that determines how proteins function within our bodies. Understanding this process could lead to significant breakthroughs in health and medicine. This makes Meta's decision to disband its team working on this problem quite controversial. The move indicates a shift in Meta's AI strategy, from one that included a balance of scientific research and commercial applications to one that seems to be heavily focused on the latter. The implications of this decision could be far-reaching, potentially affecting the pace of research and development in critical areas of science. But let's not forget, this is not an end. The scientific community, resilient as it is, will continue its quest to understand protein folding, with or without Meta. The knowledge gained will continue to benefit humanity. In conclusion, Meta's shift towards commercial AI applications and away from scientific research is a significant development. It's a reminder of the power and influence tech giants wield in shaping the landscape of AI research and development. This podcast was co-produced by Daniel Oronoff and Mogul Media AI.